Hello students, once again welcoming you in another class of social science. I hope you all safe in your home. In previous class we did importance parallels of latitudes, heat zones of the earth. Hello students, once again welcoming you in another class of social science. I hope you all safe in your home. In previous class we did importance parallels of latitudes, heat zones of the earth. Today we will discuss our next topic, longitudes and time zone. In time zone, GMT and IST. We learn in details. So let's begin our first topic, longitudes. Longitudes means semicircles joining North Pole and South Pole is called longitudes. Lines of references are called the meridians of longitude and the distance between them are measured in degrees of longitude. Now, the word meridian. Meridian is a Latin means midday. These semicircles that runs through the north and the south poles cut the equator at right angle are known as meridians, meaning noon. Each degree is further divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. Now we learn about time zones. Time zones are two types. First, Greenwich Mean Time. Second, Indian Standard Time. Now we learn first GMT. Using the standard time or the standard meridian as the basic measure, we can know the time of any country with respect to GMT. The best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth, the moon and the planets. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time and those of the west will be behind it. Now, why do we have standard time? In before, we learn about what is standard time. Local time of a place is based on the longitudes of that place. It means places situated on different meridians will have different local times. It creates much confusion and problem for people to function. To solve these problems, every country fixes its central meridian, which is considered the standard meridian of that country. The local time of this meridian is considered standard for the whole country. It is called standard time. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east, it's treated as the standard meridian. The local time of this meridian is followed all over the country. This is known as Indian Standard Time. Through an international agreements, the local time of all places is linked to the Greenwich Mean Time. Different places have different times. Now, why do we have standard time? Places located on a meridian of longitude have the same time. It is called local time. Time at the meridian of longitude differs from the time of another meridian of longitude by 4 minutes, either less by 4 minutes or more by 4 minutes. The local time of Dwarka in Gujarat behind by 1 hour 45 minutes from that of the Dibrugarh, Assam. A person going from west to east will have to advance his or her watch by 4 minutes after crossing a meridian. On the other hand, a person going from east to west will have his or her watch moved backwards by 4 minutes at each meridian. This creates problems for him. To remove these problems, the local time of a central meridian of the country is assumed standard for the whole country. It is called standard time. All the watches indicate the same time in all part of the country. People do not have to move their watches advanced or backed. All the work is done according to this time. In India, the local time of 82 degree 30 minute east is taken as standard for the whole country. It is called Indian Standard Time. I hope you all have understood about longitude and IST and GMT. So, let's recap. Longitudes of the Earth. The line of reference running from the North Pole to the South Pole is called meridians of the longitude, and the distance between them are measured in degrees of longitudes. Each degree is further divided into minutes and minutes into second. Now, GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Time based on the relationship of the mean sun to the prime meridian. If the earth rotates 15 degree in 1 hour, it will be take 4 minutes to rotate 1 degree. 60 minutes means 1 hour. When we divide it 15 degree, then it comes 4 minutes. Therefore, 1 degree longitude means 4 minutes of time. Now, IST, Indian Standard Time. The local time of place which are one different meridians are bound to differ. It is necessary to adapt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. In India, for instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local time of Dwarka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east means 82 degree 30 minute east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as Indian Standard Time. For example, why is it 5:30 p.m. in India when it is 12 noon in London? India and United Kingdom lie in the different longitudes. Each degree of longitude corresponds to a difference of 4 minutes. This is because the earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours, 1 degree in 4 minutes. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 east and that of London is 0 degree. This means a difference of 4 minutes into 82.5 equal to 330 minutes means 5.5 hours. We can say that 5:30. So when it is 12 noon in London, it is 5:30 p.m. in India. Longitudes helps us to determine time. The East Hemisphere is ahead in time than the Western Hemisphere. The rule is moving towards East gain the time and move towards West lose the time. I hope you have understood important parallels of latitudes, heat zones of the earth, what are longitudes, longitude and time, and why do we have standard time. Thank you.